Alright, I just wanted to document my super janky artillery sidewinder. I've got a filament PEI plate that I've scarred up pretty good already after just a few prints. I got tired of the ribbon cable, so I've replaced the ribbon cable with a 15-pin printer cable. I got this 15-pin receiver off of Amazon. I'm using 3D Print Beginner's Z-Stop as a auto bed leveling sensor, and I'm using a high dollar piece of aluminum from Home Depot to bolt that to my fan. And then this right in there. Okay. I've got Gary at Print Engineering's M600 upgrade to work with Octoprint if I ever get to get there. I try to make one of Sunshine's. Suggest you find and follow Sunshine on YouTube if you like 3D printing. Tried his print in place box test and failed miserably, but I'm getting used to it. So anyways, this is just to document my super janky Sidewinder X1, and if anyone wants to know how to do the ribbon cable elimination process, I'll be happy to respond. Anyways, thanks for watching.